Okay, first graders, this is Mr. Nelson, and yeah, you can hear a lot of noise in the background. That is all the stuff that we need for our laser cutter. So here's what I've done. I've taken some pictures, we've put them into the computer, and now I'm going to go over here, and with our laser cutter, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut your robots. So let's go ahead and I'm going to hit start. And now we're going to come down here and we're going to watch the laser work. It's going to take a little time. But as you can see, it's doing the very first robot. In fact, let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more. Oh, that's much better. So what the laser is doing is the laser is using light, very, very powerful light, to go ahead and burn through that chipboard, which is kind of like cardboard. So now it's doing an outline. And now that it's done with that one, it's going to go to the next one. So it's going to keep doing this, and we're going to keep it all, we're going to go with it for the whole time, because frankly, I think you'd like to see everyone's. So these are the ones that were turned in on SeeSaw to me today. Where that light is, and you can kind of almost see where it's burning, and that's what the laser does. The laser burns through, or in this case doesn't burn through the whole paper. So what this does is this is going to go ahead and create an outline of all the different lines that you made in SeeSaw, and it's burning just the surface of that, so that when we're ready, it will go ahead and it will also cut out for us big squares all around us. So let's keep watching that. Let's see, I've seen Marilyn, I've seen Zephyr's, I've seen Kimberly's, not necessarily in that order. And that's one more robot almost done, because I can see the double line coming around. That's the way we know it's almost finished. And now it's going to move on to the next one. So the computer has gone ahead and chosen exactly the best way for it to cut these and what order they should be in, to make it so that it uses the least amount of energy. So Mrs. Henson's going to get copies of these, and you can go ahead and get them from her once they're all done. Oh, and it's time for the last one. Okay, that was Dahlia's, and this is Danielle's. Yeah, so I'll make sure I got the right people. So now you see it's slowing down. And what it's doing is it's now cutting a very, very deep line, which will cut all the way through, and sometimes you're even seeing some sparks from where it's hitting the metal underneath. So it's going through and it's cutting a big square around that so that we can take it home. Let's go ahead and look at it from all the way out and watch all of them. Now this is the only part that takes a little bit of time, sometimes cutting through. Now we can cut through almost anything with this. We could put these on plastic, we could put these on chipboard like we're doing here. We could put them on cardboard, we could put them on wood. We could do a whole lot of things with these, and this is kind of really cool. So your drawings, we can go ahead and we can make it to plaques or plates or, well, really kind of whatever. Even in metal, that would be kind of cool. So we've got 2 more to go. And here comes the next one. So here, Marilyn's is getting cut right now. if I were to open the laser cutter right now, the laser would turn off. It would still be going through what it's doing, but the laser wouldn't be on, so it wouldn't be cutting. That keeps it safe so that I don't accidentally do something silly like get my hand burned or something like that. So now we're on Kimberly's. Move back a little bit so you can see the whole laser cutter. There it is. And there's our computer. And it's going to come back. And now it's done. Oh, no, yes it is. Now it's done. So that beep, beep, beep means it's done. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this up. And we're going to look inside. And I'm going to move this. And looky there. We've got robots. All right. So I hope you enjoyed that. And we now know how to do that. So I'm sure Mrs. Henson and the other first grade teachers are going to have some stuff planned for you. Have a great day.